So, welcome everyone to Curious Prelims. I'm your quiz master Rishi. Okay, I'll be briefing you on the rules. Okay, the rules. There are 20 questions in this round. Each question must be answered in the time limit of 45 seconds in your team. Okay, how will you know it's 45 seconds? This green bar right at the bottom. When I begin this is a 20-second bar. The main slides will have 45 seconds. When this runs out, you have to finish the answering by then. Your answers will be rejected if you're not answered by 48 seconds. Okay, so the Quizmaster decision is final and binding. Please refrain from showing camaraderie to the other team from your school since only one team from a school can qualify. In case of a tie, the team that has answered more star mark questions shall qualify. I shall notify you when it's a star mark question. And of course, seeking answers from the internet will result in an immediate disqualification. With more rules, please refrain from arguing with proctors. If they have typed answer rejected, do not start arguing with them and move on to the next question. Your answers must be typed in this format. Okay, please familiarize yourself with this format. Okay. Only the top five teams will be proceeding to the next round. Do not type your answers here on Gmeet or on the main QDS group, only in your team groups. Okay. If there's any problem, please inform me in the chat.
Excuse me, sir.
Yes?
Sir, do we have to use the signs greater than less than while typing the
No,
answer?
no, absolutely not. Just the answer,
Okay,
but
sir.
question number also. Okay. Okay, then I think we should begin with the quiz if there's no other doubts. Okay, let's begin. Let's have fun quizzing. It's quizzing. But it's beginning with the first question. Question one. The self-assembly and propulsion are accomplished in clever ways. A PVC sheet is laser cut with structural layers that cause the sheet to fold around its tiny magnet in just a few minutes' time when placed on a heating element. Movement is achieved by pulsing electromagnetic coils placed near the machine to stimulate its magnet. What am I talking about? Your time begins now. All right, time's up. Okay, moving on to the second question. Question two. Supposedly the origin of what term? Three dash for mustard mark. Sure he has not got much of a bark. And sure any he has, it's all beside the mark. By James Joyce, Finnegan's Wake. What am I talking about? Your time begins now. All right, time's up. All right, moving to the next question. Coming up, third question. Galileo used the Leaning Tower of Pisa to demonstrate that time of descent was independent of their mass. What did he use St. Mark's Campanile in Venice for? Okay, I'm talking about something. Give me the answer. Your time begins now. All right, time's up. All right, next question. This is star mark question. Back in around late 1930s, the Diwan of a tiny princely state of Travancore, Sir C.P. Ramaswamy Iyer, was instrumental in setting up the Travancore University in Trivandrum, now University of Kerala. Iyer tried to bring X to head the university, offering a monthly salary of 6,000 per month. This was a huge figure considering that Diwan himself drew a salary of 4,500. Though citing his own reasons, X turned down the offer. After X, CP tried to rope in scientists like C.V. Raman, the philosopher and former president Dr. S. Radhakrishnan, and Dr. Meghnadhan Saha as pro vice chancellor of the university. But those attempts failed also. IDX, your time begins now. All right, time's up. Okay, let's move on to the next question. Question 5. This is the balcony of X, who made such a setup demonstrate people his idea of the Y, which is a widely debated and ridiculed parascientific process and hasn't been verified till date. Identify X and Y. The picture you see on the right is the balcony I'm talking about. The time begins now. All right, time's up. All right, moving on to the next question. Question 6. Einstein's theory of relativity failed when explaining the atomic and subatomic world. In the Fifth Solvay's Conference in 1927, Einstein's great rival in his quest to explain the nature of reality was Niels Bohr, who was championing a new branch of physics called quantum mechanics. At its core, quantum theory said that at a fundamental level, everything was unpredictable. Particles could be in more than one place at one time, and a cat in the box could be both dead and alive. What did Einstein, disenchanted with the Heisenberg's uncertainty principle, reply? Your time begins now. Okay, time's up. All right, moving on to the next question. Okay, this is star mark question. Ouroboros, forgive me the pronunciation, is an ancient symbol depicting a snake or dragon eating its own tail. A scientist in his dream saw a similar creature and was inspired by its shape. Who was the scientist and what did this dream inspire? Your time begins now. All right, time's up. Okay, moving on to the next question. Question 8. This type of blood type is called HH blood type or rare ABO blood group. This blood phenotype was discovered in 1952. This is called X blood because it was first found in some people of X. The HH blood group contains one antigen, the H antigen, which is found on virtually all RBC and is building block for the production of the antigen within the ABO blood group. To understand more, RBCs have ABH antigens, and the sera contains anti-A, anti-B, and anti-H. Anti-H has not been discovered in the ABO group, but it has been detected in the pre-transfusion stage. This H antigen works as a building block for in the ABO blood group. The lack of H antigen is known as X phenotype. Identify X. Your time begins now. Okay, time's up. Okay, moving on to the next question. Question 9. This is the compound. This compound is used as a powerful psychostimulant, which was even used in World War II by the Third Reich to induce extended wakefulness and saw largest legal full-scale production with it being administered to both civilians, and the military. Which compound am I talking about? Your time begins now. All right, time's up. All right, moving on to the next question. Question 10. Alicia Gray fought bitterly with another inventor for the patent of X, but the other one got patent as he reached the office 30 minutes before Gray. Which invention? Your time begins now. All right, time's up. All right, moving on to the next question. Question 11. Which famous group of people believe that a law created by them, which tells them that 150-foot tall ice wall protects the earth? Your time begins now. All right, time's up. All right, I move on to the next question. Question 12. You must have seen this object which has come under spotlight now because of its importance. It has a rating system where the letter class signifies the resistance to oil and the number class signifying the number of particles that are removed. What is being talked about here? Your time begins now. All right, time's up. All right, moving on to the next question. Question 13. The Event Horizon Telescope, a planet scale array of eight ground based radio telescopes forged through an international collaboration, captured this image of X. The imaging team of X was led by Y, who led the development of the algorithm used for imaging X. What's the significance of Y? What's the significance of X? And identify Y. Your time begins now. Time's up. Okay, then I'm moving on to the next question. Question 14 is a star mark question. You know me. You might have read my stories of children that feature animals talking, dressing, and living like humans. One of my illustrations is displayed below. What you might not know about me is that I am a lover of natural world. My drawings of fungi are not only aesthetically pleasing but scientifically accurate. As a teenager and a woman too, I challenged pre-existing notions about the life cycle of fungi. However, I was sidelined by the then scientific community because of my gender and age. That did not stop me, and today my works are being discovered and studied with new vigor. In fact, the featured painting of the mushrooms was made by me. Identify. Your timing is now. All right, time's up. All right, moving on to the next question. Question 15. The small 70-bed hospital located on a tea estate in southern Assam boasts sketches and microscopes used by fabled Nobel Prize winning scientists who conducted his research regarding a widely feared tropical disease, one that was so dangerous that its fear had stalled the construction of Panama Canal. Name the scientist and the disease he's worked on. Your time begins now. All right, time's up. All right, moving on to the next question. Question 16. There have been several technical applications for the X. Giant X's have been used as conveyor belts that last longer because of the entire surface area of the belt gets the same amount of wear. X's are common in the manufacture of fabric computer printer and typewriter ribbons, as they let the ribbon be twice as wide as the printer head while using both halves evenly. What is X? Your time is now. Time's up. All right, moving on to the next question. Question 17. Jack Cover used to work as a nuclear science physicist in NASA. However, in 1970, he started diverting funds for his research towards a weapon that would incapacitate assailants instead of killing them. He named it after an invention by Tom Swift, a fictional character that inspired him. What weapon? All right, time's up. All right, moving to the next question, question 18. Albert Hoffman was working in his lab with a derivative of the fungus ergot when he started experiencing strange mental and physical sensations. Unbeknownst to him, he was experiencing the first acid trip in history. Soon after, the floodgates opened and everyone started tuning in and dropping out, so to speak. What did he find? Time's up. All right, moving on to the next question. Question 19, the penultimate question. Question 19. The picture shows the molecular structure of a compound. This yellow solid is used as a dye but also to generate charge transfer salts. However, it is well known for some other use, which is due to its properties of being insensitive to friction and pressure shock, allowing ease of handling. What is the use? Time's up. All right, the final question coming up, question 20. The picture given below is of a newly discovered species, Nelotodes X, belonging to the family of beetles called Tilidae. The family of species is known to be one of the smallest free living species in the world. Its size has prompted for it to be named after X. All right, time's up. So, I think everyone's answered. Thank you very much for participating in the prelims. I will be dropping the names of the qualifiers and the scores, obviously, by afternoon. Special thanks to Ankita, Shaunak, Pritam, Anmol, Moitran, and Arko, and of course, all the proctors.